In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a Hostinger VPS and install the n8n automation tool. This process is straightforward and will empower you to harness the VPS for your automation needs effectively. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to make this as easy and efficient as possible. First things first, we need to purchase a VPS from Hostinger. Begin by heading over to the Hostinger website. Once there, navigate to the VPS hosting section. Hostinger offers various plans, so you'll want to explore these options and determine which one best fits your needs. Do you plan to run many automation processes, or perhaps you anticipate needing more processing power in the future? Keep these considerations in mind as you select a plan. After you've made your decision, simply click the Select button on your chosen plan. Before you complete your purchase, it's worth taking a moment to see if there are any available coupon codes or special offers. Often, these discounts can significantly reduce the overall cost. Look for promotional banners or check external websites that list verified Hostinger coupons. If you find one, enter the code at checkout to enjoy the savings. Once you have everything ready in your cart and you've applied any discounts, proceed with creating an account if you haven't already. You'll need to fill in your personal details, such as your email address and password. After setting up your account, go ahead and finalize your purchase, completing the payment process as directed. Congratulations! You now have your very own VPS. Now that you have your VPS, it's time to install the n8n automation tool. First, access your VPS by logging into your control panel on Hostinger. From there, navigate to the Servers section and locate your newly purchased VPS. Click on it to open more detailed options, including ways to connect to it. With access established, you'll need to use a terminal or SSH client to log into your VPS. If you're using Windows, applications like PuTTY can make this easier, while macOS or Linux users can use the built-in terminal. Enter your VPS's IP address along with the login credentials you set during setup. Once you're logged in, it's time to install n8n. Start by updating and upgrading your server packages by running the necessary command in the terminal. This ensures that all installed software is up to date. Next, you will install Docker, as n8n runs within a Docker container. Follow Docker's official guide to install it on your system, and once Docker is up and running, download and set up the Docker image for n8n. After setting everything up, run n8n as a Docker container. You'll want it to be accessible, so consider configurations that allow for access through a web browser. After a successful launch, you can navigate to n8n in your browser using your VPS's IP and the specified port. And there you have it. You should now have n8n up and running on your Hostinger VPS. This setup will allow you to automate various workflows with ease. Thanks for watching and happy automating!